everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you how to crochet this very cute bag. I use 10 millimeters hook and 10 millimeters yarn. Make a slip knot. I show. Insert your hook under this yarn, pull up yarn, tie it. Make a slip knot and chain. Yarn over, pull up yarn, chain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I made 12 chains in here. I have 15 centimeters of these chains. Continue like this. Skip one chain. We have one chain on hook. Skip one chain, next chain, go to next chain. Insert your hook into this chain. Take 2 yarns on your hook like this. Hold hook like this. Pull up yarn, yarn over, pull through 2 yarns together. Go to same chain. Pull up yarn, pull through 2 yarns together. 2 single crochet. Mark first stitch. I show. We made 1, 2 single crochet in first chain. Mark first stitch. Go to next chain. Take 2 yarns. Pull up yarn, pull through 1 single crochet. Pull up yarn, pull through 1 single crochet. 1 single crochet in every chain. One single crochet, 1 single crochet, 1 single crochet, 1 single crochet in first chain. In this row, this is last chain. Insert your hook into this chain, pull up yarn, 1 single crochet, go to same chain, 2 single crochet, go to same chain, we have 2 single crochet, go to same stitch, pull up yarn, pull through 2 yarns, 3 single crochet, go to same chain, pull up yarn, 4 single crochet, 5 single crochet. In this chain we have 5 single crochet in total. Continue, go to every stitch, make 1 single crochet, hide tail of yarn under stitches. Go to this stitch, one single crochet in every stitch. In here, go to last stitch. We have 1, 2 with first chain. We have 3 stitches in this chain. Go to here, make 1 single crochet, 2 single crochet, and complete this stitch. Now we have 5 stitches in here, 5 stitches in this side. Go to mark a stitch, pull up yarn. Now we have 1, 2 yarns on hook. Pull through 2 yarns together. Go to next stitch, pull up yarn, pull through. Make 1 single crochet in every stitch. I show, take 2 yarns on hook, pull up yarn, pull through, pull up yarn, pull through, pull up yarn, pull through. Make single crochet in every stitch. Continue like this, make more rows. I show in this side, 1 single crochet, 1 single crochet, 1 single crochet in every stitch. I show in this side, we start to second row from here. I show, make 1 single crochet in every stitch and repeat. Continue like this, make more rows, 1 single crochet in every stitch. Continue. I made 12 rows in here. Go to this stitch, 1 single crochet in every stitch, count from here. We have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 24 25 26 27 28 stitches in total. I show 28. Mark 1 2 3 4 fourth stitch. This is last stitch. 1 2 3 4. I show 1 2 3 4. Mark fourth. 1 2 3 4 5 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Now we have 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4. I show in here 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4. Mark this stitch, continue, make 1 single crochet in every stitch. We make 1 single crochet in mark stitch. I show. Go to next mark stitch, insert your hook into this mark stitch, pull up yarn, pull through, turn the work, 1 single crochet in every stitch. Repeat 1 single crochet, go to this stitch and show, repeat, make more rows, 1 single crochet in every stitch, continue without increase and decrease. I show I made until here like this. I made until here. Make a slip knot. insert your hook. Insert your hook in any stitch. I show from here. Pull up yarn, make a, I show, make a chain, go to same stitch, make single crochet, make 1 single crochet in every stitch, go to mark stitch, 1 single crochet, go to this, I show, insert your hook into this stitch, pull up yarn, pull through, make 1 single crochet, 1 single crochet in every stitch and repeat. Go to first single crochet, I show, pull up yarn, pull through, go to this stitch and repeat, make more rows like this side. I show, I have 16 centimeters in here. Join these sides together. Take 2 loops in this side, 2 loops in other side, and repeat. Should join in this side